Good evening once more. So this is a review video on assemblycraftjobs.com. So it's a sales video which you always need. Discover how to pull in extra cash assembling products at home. So let's watch the video and see what it's all about, and we'll come back in a few minutes.
Would you want to pull in a flow of extra cash by assembling products at home? The Home Assembly and Crafts directory has over 250 companies offering work-at-home assembly jobs. These companies need real hard workers to make crafts, jewelry, sewing, woodworking, mailing circulars, electronics, and more. Working at home is becoming increasingly popular. This year alone, over 5 million employees will spend more than 35 hours per week working at home with some form of formal arrangement with the company that they work for. So how can you get started? It's simple. Major assembly companies will send you a money-making instruction package that will be delivered right to your door. It will include easy-to-follow instructions, materials, and a photo of the finished product. All you have to do is assemble the products. There's absolutely no selling involved. What are you waiting for? Get started today.
So it's as easy as that. You have to be in the USA. Fortunately, I don't like this job. In 6 weeks, you get your money back. And here's some of the testimonials, some of the products that you'd be doing, and that's it really. It's only $10, so why not give it a try if you're in the USA, of course. But if you want a business that is really out of this world, you don't have to be in the USA. You can, or any country. Take a look at it also, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.